5.3 question number 4. Express the following numbers in the expanded form in terms of power of 10. So we have already been doing this, right? This is 1, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. So that's just what we have to write. Alright, so when you look at 6, it is in the ones place. Alright, if you look at 4, it is in the tens place. If you look at 3, it is in the hundreds place. If you look at 7, it is in the thousands place. And if you look at 5, it is in the 10,000s place. Alright, that was how we could have ended, but they said what in terms of powers of 10, right? So when you look here, you can see the first here is just 1, right? So remember the formula, a to the power 0 is always equal to 1, which means what? 10 to the power 0 is also equal to 1, right? So in place of 1, because they said expanded powers of 10, in place of 1, I'm writing 10 to the power 0. Now if you look here, 4 into 10, right? So we already know 10 to the power 1 is equal to 10. I mean, it means they are literally the same. All right, so 10 to the power 1, and then this 100 I can write it as 10 to the power 2. This 1000 I can write it as 10 to the power 3. Then this is 10,000 I can write it as 10 to the power 4. All right, expanded powers of 10. So same thing with B also, right? This is 1, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, like, right? So let's start again. So 2 is in the ones place, right? So I can write it as 10 to the power 0. If you look at 5, it is in the tens place. So in place, this is also correct, but like I said, they said expanded powers of 10, so I'm writing 10 to the power 1. If you look at 4, it is in the hundreds place, right? So 10 to the power 2. If you look at 7, 1000, so 10 to the power 3. If you look at 2, it is in 10,000, right? So you can see here 10 to the power 4. 1, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. 9 is in lakh, right? This one. So I can simply write it as 10 to the power 5. Alright, the last F, once again, same thing, right? So this is 1, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, and then there is a crore. Alright, so you can just follow the same thing again. This 1 will become 10, 0. 5 is in tens place, so 10 to the power 1. 4 is in hundreds place, so 10 square. 2 is in thousands, so 10 to the power 3. Next is 0 is in 10,000s place, right? So you can see 0, then 10 to the power 4. Then again another 0 is in 1, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh. So 10 to the power 5. Then this one I can write it 10 to the power 6. And then this I can write it as 10 to the power 7. So simple as it, alright? Expanded powers of 10. Alright, here we have to do the opposite, alright? Obtain the numbers from the following expanded form. So you can see that 2 into 0 means this is in ones place, right? 3 into 10 to the power means 3 into 10 to the power 1 means this is in tens place. 4 is in hundreds place. 2 is in thousands place. 3 is in 10,000s place. And then 5 is in lakh. And then 4 in 10 lakh. Right. So let's remember, start from this side. Clear, do not start from this side, you'll get mixed up. Right. So same thing. Alright. Now once again here, you can see that 2 is in ones place, right? There is no tens and hundreds, so 0, 0. But you can see 4 is in thousands place. Then 1000, 10,000 and lakh, there is nothing, so I'll put 0, 0. And then how much is this? 1, tens, 100, 10,000 lakh. 10 lakh, what is there? 8. Alright, so that is how we're able to get the numbers from the expanded form.